All right, Mariah Brown here, coming to you from a hike in New Hampshire. I've talked a lot about adaptogens. For those of you who don't know what an adaptogen is, an adaptogen comes from the plant, mushroom, and botanical kingdom. It helps the body better adapt to stress. If you haven't already watched any of my content on why to add adaptogens and why to drink your adaptogen elixirs every day, please find one of those and watch it. Today I was thinking while I was hiking with a little bit of a raspy voice, my energy's great, but my larynx are just going, I wanted to talk about adaptogens for energy. If you're feeling kind of sluggish or tired, you know you're overdoing it on caffeine, let's talk about some of the adaptogens that really make a difference to help increase your energy. The first one that I would start with is called cordyceps. It starts with a C, cordyceps. It comes from a mushroom, and it's lovely for stamina. So rather than drinking that cup of coffee in the morning or having your second cup later on in the day, try adding some cordyceps. You can get it encapsulated. You can also add it into your adaptogen elixir. For some people, you don't want to do cordyceps into the afternoon because it might negatively impact your sleep because it can give you that much energy. The second one is ashwagandha. Can you say it again? Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is great for thyroid. So if part of what's going on around your lack of energy is if your thyroid is becoming slightly sluggish, adding in ashwagandha each day is great for hypothyroidism, meaning sluggish or slow thyroid. Even if you haven't been diagnosed with hypothyroidism, but maybe you're thinking that could be what's going on. The last adaptogen I wanted to talk about today is one called shatavari. It's not necessarily one that I think of at the beginning when I'm working with women to help them increase their energy, but it's great for juiciness, for sexual energy, for it's kind of like if ashwagandha and shatavari are the feminine and the masculine of our sensuality. And so if you're looking for more energy in that area, then adding in some shatavari might be helpful. Hopefully you found this helpful. Cheers to adaptogens. Most of them you can't really go wrong. The beauty of adaptogens is they just go in and they help the body better adapt to stress. Like I've said, please grab the adaptogen elixir recipes. Please drink your adaptogen elixir every day. And cheers to your well-being and specifically your vitality and your energy from the moment you wake up as well as all day long.